कि जब एक कपल एक प्रैक्टिस में आता है तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर चैलेंजेस.
First thing is you divide the roles. Who will take care of the accounts?
Right.
Who will take care of
How do you see design in Mumbai, evolving as compared to design in Delhi?
In Bombay, we have to concentrate doing a lot more in a smaller space. While in Delhi,
एक क्लाइंट है उसको नगर बनाना है दिल्ली 1 acre फार्म हाउस वो पीएस डिजाइन क्यों आए 5 client mistakes that kill projects
that's a tough one.
who's more detailed obsessed advice to the audience or anything you want to talk about
Only three things you need to do.
Hello everyone, welcome to Journey with CJ. Today I'm joined by a dynamic couple who are founders of PS Design Mumbai. Let's welcome Piyush and Priyanka Mehra. Welcome. How are you guys doing?
Very well. Very happy
What
to be here.
an auspicious day to have you guys.
Yes, I know.
So I have reasons. Today is Ram Navami. Today you have opened up your Delhi office.
Yes.
So I can probably say that PS Design Mumbai and Delhi. I wanted to introduce you guys like that, but मैंने कहा कि पहले एक बारी PS Design Mumbai and let's celebrate the Delhi office and then I'll say PS Design Mumbai.
We can
So-
also say that PS Design's Delhi office journey has begun with CJ.
Wow, that's so nice. So sweet of you. Thank you. And also I can say that Delhi Dil Walon ki welcome something Mumbai.
Thank you so much. Thank you for having us here.
Yeah, it's
Very awesome.
amazing to
And
be here.
also you guys are the first couple on this podcast. Yes.
Oh, wow.
And we have some very interesting things lined up.
Okay.
So let's talk about your journey. ये PS design कहाँ से आया? I always in my podcast take you guys back almost 20-25 years back. So थोड़ा सा बताओ.
Okay, so first of all, एक general जो misconception है, a lot of people, जैसे आपने बोला कि founders of PS Design, तो Priyanka is the founder of PS Design. She started the firm in 2009. So she was working with Hafiz, and from there she'll tell about the journey.
Her journey, yeah.
at Hafiz.
Yeah.
But, then she opened up the firm.
Okay.
I joined her in 2012. So I am the blue-eyed boy. She did all the mehnat initially.
That's nice. So please share your journey.
So I'm originally a Delhi girl, and I shifted to Bombay to work with Hafiz Contractor, which was about 22 years back.
Wow.
And Bombay sort of gives you the freedom which Delhi did not 20 years back. And I worked with him for about 6 years. And after a point, you always feel in any firm that your growth is a bit stagnant.
Right.
Which is why I started PS Design in 2009. It was tough because I was alone in Bombay. My family's all here in Delhi, up north, and it was just me there. But I think I've had a fairly decent start because I had some great clients and some really wonderful friends who supported me initially. That sort of helped me build up the company from there.
Nice.
The first 2-3 years were a bit of a struggle, which is in any case. And then Piyush joined me in 2012. So we, started working as a partner. Like we started slowly, and then obviously then.
There's a short story. So we actually started working in 2010.
No, 11.
11. When I was in the 4th year of my college,
Wow.
and I came to intern with her.
Really? That's nice.
So 2000.
11, he did a summer internship.
No,
with
so
me.
basically 2010 I decided that by the time I graduate in 2012 I need to be sure which city I want to work in. So I thought I'll do one internship, one here in Delhi, another one in Bombay.
You're from Mumbai?
No, I'm from Lucknow.
अच्छा, you're from Lucknow?
Yeah.
Wow. So I can say कि लखनऊ का लड़का मुंबई गया और दिल्ली की लड़की
को फंसा लिया।
मुंबई गया और वहां पे दोनों मिले और फंसा लिया या फंस गया, क्योंकि मैं तो ये भी बोल सकता हूँ फंस गया. So and then you became an intern at her.
Yeah, so 2010 I did an internship with Mr. Romi Khosla here in Delhi.
Okay.
Okay.
पहले आप दिल्ली आए.
So first year I did Delhi.
And then you went to
I
Bombay.
loved the city, everything, of course. Then second year, in 2011, I thought, since I've already worked in a big firm, as in a firm where we have 50 people. I start work. Let me intern in a smaller firm so I can get more exposure. So I started looking for firms in Bombay, and I came across this
And
brilliant
फिर प्रियंका को देखा तो उन्होंने कहा कि चल कोई बात नहीं भाई.
architect. Just the added advantage.
Added
The boss
advantage.
is good looking.
हाँ. मैंने कहा बॉस ठीक है काम तो अच्छा हो ही जाएगा.
You know, this is actually a true story.
Right?
Yeah. So my
And honestly, I have no idea. I'm sorry cutting you. मुझे नहीं पता. I'm just saying, you know, मतलब we have not prepared anything before the podcast. So if I'm saying this is true story, तो मेरे दिल से आ रही होगी बात.
no, so when he had applied for the internship, we were a small firm at that time.
Of course.
It had just been 2.5 years, and his portfolio was brilliant. You know, like when there are certain people who apply to your firm and you want to work with them because you realize that they have that potential. So I was talking to a friend of mine and I said, this boy has applied and his portfolio is really good. I don't know whether he'll come and work with me because, you know, you just sort of expect that certain people may be looking for a bigger firm or
course.
something. So when he joined, and I was very happy. I said he's agreed, and in fact till the day that he actually came to work with me, I was like, "Pata nahi aayega."
आएगा नहीं आएगा.
Because a lot of these interns, you know, they do not turn up. You know, it's just
Very normal.
yeah.
Still
So,
normal today.
yeah, even today. So I was actually looking forward to, you know, having him work with me, and it was a very short internship. But I think what worked for both of us was the love of design, CJ.
Yeah.
I think both of us were very passionate about designing. We were extremely, you know, we would complete each other's sentences right from day one we started working together. So if he would sketch
It was an
something,
instant connection at work, and so I have to give this credit to Priyanka.
भाई आज पूरे नंबर बना के जा रहे हो.
In the-
You started very well. छक्का बढ़ रहा है जब से आए हो.
See, in the studio, so Priyanka will, propagate that culture that please don't call me ma'am, call me by the name. So she wants people to sort of be her colleagues rather than staff or employees.
And especially you, she likes. ठीक है ये लड़का आया है तो इतने अच्छे portfolio.
no, but it's really even till today nobody
Culture
in my office nobody calls
Everybody
me
calls you
ma'am.
Priyanka.
Yeah, they call him sir. Nobody calls me ma'am.
No problem. But yeah, Priyanka, that's the only thing.
Yeah.
So we were anyways, like from day one we were colleagues, and imagine I was an intern,
Right.
not even graduated at that point of time. And we started working. She was pitching for a lot of projects at that point of time. I had like literally nothing else to do in Bombay. Till today, I tell all people who come to our studio, young kids, interns, I tell my story, this is what you should do right now at your age, 22, 23. All you should do is work, at least for good 4-5 years. The more
जनून
Yeah.
काम का जुनून होना चाहिए and it takes you to places.
Takes you-
So थोड़ा सा background बात करते हैं कि आप both are from what kind of background? क्या आपकी family में कोई architect था या?
So my father is a businessman.
Okay.
But I was very clear I wanted to be an architect since I was in grade 7.
Wow.
Yeah. I
That's so
never-
nice.
Yeah, I never had any other, alternate career in my mind. Never.
7th class में you
Yeah.
knew.
I knew. I was very clear.
And लखनऊ वाले का क्या scene था?
So my dad was a structural engineer.
Yes. Some kind of background you had.
So he was working as an architect in Lucknow because that's what they do in smaller cities. Engineer साहब पूरा घर बनाएंगे. So I have grown up seeing houses built. He used to take me to, if there is a slab casting happening on Sunday, I used to go with him to the site, see what is happening, understand the technicalities, how slab is casted, what they are doing wrong, blah blah blah, all those things. So the exposure came in like really earlier for me. And once Dad got this book by Charles Correa, so it was a book on about Charles Correa and the works.
Yeah.
And once I read the book, I just got into it, like completely sucked into it. And that's what I always wanted to be, always.
Nice.
So that was, so I did have a background with this. So it sort of helped me, reach at a certain stage even before I joined architecture school.
So ये तो clear है कि it's a purely love marriage of you both. And so when did that happen? And
We were friends since 2011. So
2011, yeah. And 2011, when did you guys get married?
No, we got married in 2014.
2004. Okay. तो 3 साल लग गए आपको कन्विंस करने में.
No, no, no.
नहीं अच्छा
अच्छा।
पहले
So, you know, the fact that the age difference was quite a bit between
Yeah.
us, you know, professionally also, and, you know, like, obviously, he's almost 6 years younger to me.
Yeah.
Professionally, he was even younger. I was not too sure how this is going to pan out.
yes
You know, but I have to give him the credit that he understood that I do have a lot more knowledge than him, which
Yeah.
most men, you know, they will never take it to your ego.
right
Their ego. They'll be always like, "Nahi, how can, you know, how can this one know more than
Woman
me?" Yeah.
acceptance,
It is, fortunately, unfortunately, this is how society
Yes,
is.
yes.
But he always understood that she knows more than me, and I have to match up with her knowledge of her technicalities. And I think he had to work double time to reach where I already was.
Yeah.
And also letting go of his ego. You know, which I appreciated, and you know, he understood, and I think that's why our partnership sort of worked along the way very, very well.
right
Yeah.
so very important question जैसे हम कपल की बात कर रहे हैं इट इज वेरी प्योरली फॉर द ऑडियंस कि जब एक कपल एक प्रैक्टिस में आता है एक साथ तो ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर चैलेंजेस एंड सो कुछ थोड़ा यू नो कपल मंत्रा डिस्कस करते हैं
You always do separate projects. First of all, like as especially specifically for architecture and interior design, our only resource is time.
राइट
So we don't waste both of your time working on a same project.
But Piyush, why I'm asking this is कि जैसे I know some couples who have started their companies. जब आप शुरू में स्टार्ट करते हो तो आपके पास इतने प्रोजेक्ट्स होते नहीं. You know, there must be certain guidelines क्योंकि आप जैसे for example, I'll say कि there is a personal, professional challenges, right? Then there are creative differences. Of course, because that's and so कुछ guidelines बताओ ऑडियंस को कि क्या guidelines होनी चाहिए
Yeah, see-
अगर कोई कंपनी स्टार्ट करी जैसे किसी ने जैसे कपल ने कंपनी स्टार्ट करी ठीक है मे बी दे आर इन द फर्स्ट 3 or 4 6 months तो कुछ guidelines डिस्कस करते हैं
I think the first thing would be you have to assign roles
Yeah.
to each other.
very
So,
important.
so we do work on certain projects together. We assign that this is your part of the role, this is my part of the role. If
Okay.
we are working on a project together, it could be anything. So he could be taking care of execution, I could be designing, or vice versa. We, like, both of us do both the things equally. There could be an option where I am designing the facade and he could be taking care of the interiors. Although our sensibilities are extremely different, but there are projects that we do work on together. You have to give the other person space. That's very, very important. You have to, we also give each other. So if I'm struggling with something or if I want an opinion, I will go to him for that particular aspect.
Right.
I will ask him, this is what I feel, what is your view on this? Luckily for us, creatively, we are both aligned along the same line. So there has been times that both of us have drawn a plan and it has been so similar that we were like, wow, you know, we thought of it in, you know, in exactly the same direction.
right
Creatively or, you know, aesthetically, we may be different. So he's more of a only single material person while I'm a maximalist. So that difference is there.
right
Assigning that this is his strength and this is my strength is extremely important, which is which in any partnership, whether it's a male, female, you
Yeah,
know, a
of
husband,
course.
wife, or it could be just friends, to, you know, I think that part is extremely important.
Also not just design, running the administration of the office, you have to divide the roles. Like
Yeah.
you said, you want to ask for a young couple maybe. First thing is you divide the roles. Who will take care of the accounts?
right
Who will take care of negotiations? Who will take care of
The teams.
The team.
Yeah.
Holidays. There are a lot of things, administrative stuff. Initially, you cannot really afford hiring an office manager upfront.
of course
You always start small, keep the staff to the minimum, and then grow.
right
So you always need to assign and then trust the person that whatever they're doing is
Yeah.
correct.
And both of us can make mistakes, right? I can make a mistake, he can make a mistake. You have, you know, there's always firefighting. As long as you are not fighting with each other, that's, you know,
That's-
it's good.
but Bhumi, that's also part of the thing because आपके differences तो आएंगे you know because me and Minnie my wife we work together of course उसका portfolio अलग है मेरा portfolio अलग है but when we sit together creative differences भी आते हैं उसका style of working अलग है मेरा style of working अलग है but coming back to my question I think the right thing to say what from your guideline is that आप सबसे पहले अपना role define करो don't try to indulge in others roles and most important don't try to judge
Yeah.
कि ये कैसे कर रहे
ये
हो
कैसे,
राइट
correct.
बिकॉज everyone has their own way
Also,
you know
design is extremely subjective.
yes
I might
yes
design something and really love it. She might not like it.
right
Very simple. You have
Right.
to respect.
so very interesting feedback I got from one of the podcast guests कि managerial skills are also very important now to run
Yeah.
a architecture firm
I always say that as an architect, we don't, when we are in architecture school, we are not taught so many things.
Right.
But as an architect, you need to be a psychologist because you need to understand the psychology of your clients, how they are. And within a family, there are so many different characters that you have to deal with. You may have to deal with like a 20-year-old who wants his room in a certain way and a 70-year-old who wants his room in a
10-year-old
certain
too
way.
because
Exactly. And today, teenagers, even 7-year-olds are so opinionated, which is a great thing. And so you have to understand their psychology and you have to
Right.
deal with them. You have
Managing
to,
client egos.
yeah,
it's a big job it's
Yeah.
not easy
yeah. You have to manage your material partners, how how you have to negotiate with them because you want a certain product, so you need to have those negotiation skills, and you have to negotiate with your clients that they are agreeing to to a certain material.
Right.
You have to manage your team and their temperaments. So there are so many roles as an architect that you have to play, and it's not only about designing. I think when the moment we reach office, so we both start our day really early. So we start our day at 8:30. From 8:30 to about 11, we have that 2.5 hours wherein we can design without any noise around us.
yes that's the best time
That's the best time. 10:30 to 6:30 in the evening, it's only firefighting. Client calling, this, managing things, this delivery is not happened or that has not happened or something has happened on site, and that's what we are doing all the time. And then we sit late in the night. So we would sit maybe, so we also have 2 children. So we have to spend time with them.
Yes.
And, we dedicate that time to them. And then, if we have to design again, we'll sit like 10:30 in the night. I don't do it as much as Piyush does. I think he really loves his evenings alone where there's no noise from me also. So, and he likes to design late in
but,
the night.
but,
problem, right?
but the good part what I'm liking about this conversation is that you both are very sorted आपको पता है किसको क्या अच्छा लगता है किसको क्या अच्छा लगता नहीं है and then you guys are giving space why I'm saying all this is that in a relationship it is very important to give a space because accepting the other partner requirement is also a very big success for survival
The experience it wasn't like this
Yeah.
on day
I-
one.
yeah of course
Now we married
Yeah.
7 years, so
yeah
now we know each other.
भाई मैं तो 18 साल से अभी तक एक्सपीरियंस ही कर रहा हूँ तो अभी एवरी क्वार्टर इज अ जैसे फाइनेंशियल रिजल्ट आता है क्वार्टर के अंदर वैसे एवरी क्वार्टर हमारा भी एक्सपीरियंस रिजल्ट आता है
In fact, for it's interesting. For the longest time, both of us shared a cabin. We always used to have a big cabin with tables on 2 ends.
Right.
Now, when we moved in to our new Bandra office last year, and that's the only change that we did. We had separate cabins.
yeah
Okay, separate
So
cabins,
I'll also, like you said, it's not been as smooth as a journey. We segregated the roles about, I think 6 years back, because what was happening, he has an extremely different temperament than I.
yeah
So he's very patient. He will listen
Calm.
to his clients. He
Yeah.
will understand them. He will, if they ask something out of him, he will say, okay. He'll try and convince them slowly. I'll be like, no, this is what it is. You hired me for this reason. And I know what am I doing. So 2-3 times it did happen that we went to each other's side.
yeah
And
there was some issue.
there was like, on my side, he went to the client and said, "Aapko jo karna hai karo." I'm like, what the hell happened here?
yes
You're not going on my
They're
side.
not liking this color. ये कर ले, हाँ कर लो, वो कर ले, वो भी कर लो.
And I went on said, नहीं वो तो पीयूष जी आए थे उन्होंने सब ओके कर दिया. I'm like, excuse me, what?
कैसे हो गया ये कैसे हो गया ये तो हमारी दीवारें बदल गई
So this was a big learning for us
yeah
that you cannot present contradictory
Opinions.
opinions
Yeah.
to clients and also like contradictory personalities to clients. No, it should remain same. Either you start in one way or you don't.
so I can solely say कि जो हमारे ऑडियंस देख रहे हैं the young couples they should first foremost of course I know it's शुरू में थोड़ा challenging होगा because रोल्स बांटने आसान नहीं होते
Yeah.
because
शुरू में मैन पावर कम होगी.
जो मैन पावर होते हैं आप पीएन भी होते हो आप मैनेजर भी होते हो आप सब कुछ होते हो बट स्लोली ट्राई टू understand your strengths and weaknesses and start, dividing your responsibilities to make life easier for both of, both of.
Always helps.
So, Amchai Mumbai की बात करते हैं. How do you see design in Mumbai, evolving as compared to design in Delhi? And थोड़ा discuss करें इसके बारे में about the spending power. क्या थोड़ा सा कुछ cities के बारे में बात करो.
So
It's interesting because लखनऊ से आप गए हो, दिल्ली से ये गई है, and you of course you're doing a lot of markets, you're doing Dubai also. थोड़ा सा मुंबई और दिल्ली का बात करें.
I think one of the biggest difference is the scale.
Oh really?
Bombay, while now these days there are fairly large apartments, I think even in a large apartment, so we are doing a 22,000 square foot apartment in Bombay, the size of the bedroom is still 14 by 16. So there are 7 apartments combined into one. In Delhi, we are doing one house which has a 3,000 square foot bedroom
Right.
suite. So, the scale dramatically changes. In Bombay, we have to concentrate doing a lot more in a smaller space. While in Delhi, it's about the scale and fitting things nicely. So, you have that space, you have the luxury.
Yes.
You have, suddenly you'll have a 30 by 25 ka bedroom and you're thinking, chalo, we'll put furniture here, we'll put
Right.
furniture here. I think overall, the scheme changes, how you deal with the aesthetic changes. While in Bombay, itna sa room hai, isme hi sab kuch karna hai.
Okay.
So that is one of the biggest differences that
Also another side to this is Bombay design and architecture work is extremely detail oriented, okay? Which is what a lot of us Bombay architects are known for. Like there is so much drawing work involved. Also, the space is so small in the house that you have to really work out the storages. Every nook and corner, especially the ladies of the house, they are very particular. They want to maximize the kitchen storages, for example, and you really have to detail it out. Personal attention is extremely necessary in Bombay. People, all clients hiring us expect us to be there every single time, especially for any and every design decision. That is a major thing, and they expect it that every site visit you will come.
Right.
And you cannot send somebody. It just doesn't work. So that attention to detail is very high in Bombay.
So मेरा एक next question था कि जो दिल्ली के आर्किटेक्ट है उनको मुंबई में एंट्री मिलती नहीं है और मुंबई वालों को एंट्री दिल्ली में मिल रही है, बहुत वेलकम कर रहे हैं बिकॉज आई एम सीइंग लॉट ऑफ प्रोजेक्ट्स. ऐसा क्यों?
हम भी दिल्ली के आर्किटेक्ट
हम भी दिल्ली के
आप भी दिल्ली के आर्किटेक्ट हो, ये क्या रीजन है? मतलब why is it?
जो मुझे लगता है what Priyanka said, the thing about scale.
Yeah.
I think if you are used to doing 40, 50, 70, 80,000 square feet bungalows here, maybe आपको वो 5,000 square feet का apartment
आपको समझ में ही नहीं आएगा ना.
तो ये इंटेंशनल है या
It
मुंबई
could be,
इज
but
नॉट
I-
कंफर्टेबल विद दिल्ली आर्किटेक्ट्स? मतलब व्हाट इज इट?
No, I don't think
I don't think it's like
CJ, these days, all of us are very interactive with each other. I don't think it's about markets anymore. I think it's just about understanding of a scale. Matlab, if I'm working on a 70,000 square foot house, why will I work on a 7,000 square foot house?
also
But if I'm working on a 7,000 square foot house, yes, I want to work on a 70,000 square foot house. So maybe it's just that.
So Mumbai is getting attracted by the scale, I think.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
So scale is the main thing, I believe.
yes. Also, like you get to do architecture in there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bombay, you don't.
Bombay is very
Bombay is
limited in
hard,
terms
yeah.
of architecture. कहाँ है Bombay?
Just in terms of numbers, CJ, I'll tell you. If you own a 10,000 square foot apartment
Yeah.
in Bombay, the client must have bought it at ₹1,00,000 a square foot.
Right.
100 crore का apartment है उसका. Similar in 100 crores, you can build a nice bungalow here.
Yeah, yeah. यहाँ पे आपको
I-
आराम से you will be able to make a 1 acre farmhouse.
They were like a farmhouse
one
with
house,
big rooms,
big rooms,
swimming
at a
pool.
very good location.
At a very good
With-
location.
With a 100 crore budget.
With
for
100
sure.
crore budget.
Yeah,
आप वहाँ पर
that
you
is the
spend
difference.
only on buying the house.
Only on buying the house.
तो
Only on buying the house, it's so expensive. Then the entire budgets are gone. Then people turn up to do, okay, let's do the interiors of this particular thing, and maybe spend about 7 to 10.
So interesting fact is that we always discuss about big houses. So it's completely opposite in small towns because आपको 1 एकड़ की जगह small town में you get at a very low price.
right.
So then people invest a lot of money
Lot
on
money
their houses.
building it, yeah.
And when you talk about metros like Delhi and Mumbai, they are so expensive that at times it gets out of the budget. So I understand what you're saying. So I'm happy कि ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, सबको एंट्री मिलेगी, करने वाले हो,
Yeah.
कोशिश करो.
Exactly. I just feel, I'm telling you,
I think it's the opposite, huh? That like if you're used to doing such big projects, you don't really feel like working on a.
why would you? I mean, today I'm telling you, as you know, we are also so attracted towards architecture and the scale that we are seeing here, or in, like, you know, we're doing a couple of projects in Chandigarh, we're doing some in MP. You know, the scale of the project is so much that we're like, यार 3,000 स्क्वायर फुट का अपार्टमेंट मना ही कर देते हैं यार.
So अब ये कह सकते हैं कि दिल्ली का ऑफिस खुला ही दिल्ली वालों की स्केल की वजह से है, इसलिए नहीं क्योंकि प्रियंका दिल्ली में रहती है और पीयूष लखनऊ से. अब स्केल इज अट्रैक्टिंग एवरीवन. सो मेरा जो पॉडकास्ट अगर कोई मुंबई वाला देखे तो शायद हो सकता है वो भी अब ऑफिस खोलने की जगह स्केल से अट्रैक्ट होगा. Anyways, so
I think CJ also what worked for us that both of us were from the north.
Yeah.
So we understand the temperament of Delhi
Yes,
people, the
yes,
north
yes.
people, how they work. Like
Of course.
our families are here, right?
yes, so makes a lot of difference.
Also, in general, like the mannerism of talking.
Yeah.
क्या बातें करनी है, किस तरह से बोलना है, just the inflection, cadence, everything. It's
Yeah.
a little different here
Yeah.
than it is in Bombay.
Yeah. मुंबई वाले कैसे हैं?
So I'll tell you.
Yeah.
I think one of the no offenses to anybody,
Yeah, of
we've
course.
had amazing clients,
Yes.
but I think the clients in Delhi or in general. So when I interact with you,
Yeah.
whether I interact with so many other people in the industry,
Yes.
you know, whether you know somebody who's supplying us
Yeah.
here, somebody who's supplying us
course.
lights, anybody. I think there's a certain warmth
Yes.
which is not there in Bombay. Bombay is extremely professional. So sometimes it's great for the profession, but not so great for personal
Like
relations.
KJ, I'll give you an example. Most meetings in Bombay, let's say, first of all, you have meetings always in the first half. In case it runs down to the second half, you finish the meeting, you go home. Delhi,
Everybody wants to go home.
Yeah, Delhi, if a meeting runs to the second half, you always end up having a drink.
Having a drink, having dinner.
Which is a good thing.
Yeah, it's great.
दिल्ली दिल वालों की है यार. दिल्ली तो जीते हैं, जिंदगी जीते हैं
At
हम.
the moment, no one will offer it. Also, you would also not want to.
No, you wouldn't offer because you're like, यार मुझे तो अभी 2.5 घंटे तक घर पहुंचना है, मैं ट्रैफिक में फंस जाऊंगा. So you know, like our office is in Bandra. You know, a lot of our sites are in you know, towns, so Worli and stuff like that. At 7 o'clock, I'm like, oh my god, you know, it's 7 o'clock. My, you know, traffic बढ़ रहा है. You know, that stress is always on my mind. So you want to finish the meetings early and just get back home.
नहीं, हमारा तो दिल्ली तो बहुत सिंपल है यार. हम तो अगर 2.5 घंटे भी लग रहा है तो हम उस 2.5 घंटे को कैसे यूटिलाइज करेंगे वो सोचते हैं कि चलो 2.5 घंटे ट्रैफिक में लगना है ना, चलो भाई अब तो पहले बिग स्क्रीन पे खाना खाते हैं, फिर रात को 12 बजे चलेंगे.
हाँ, तो
2.5 घंटे का आधा घंटा हो जाएगा. हमारा approach completely different.
Yeah, so that entire society culture in Mont is there.
It's amazing. So let's talk about certain success steps. So what do you think in a design journey? अगर कुछ audience को बताएं, the steps for success. And what is? It's like a 3, 4, 5 points if you can share, which is very important.
So you can define success in very different ways. You can ask me, okay, what success in terms of money, or success in terms of what you've delivered or fame.
No, in simple words, a successful practice, I would say. But a successful practice के लिए, what one has to be very careful. What are the steps? That's the
Okay, so I would say, see, you have, if you want to be a successful practice, you have to first sustain yourself. So for that, you will always need projects that will keep you running. Okay, you might not like the subject of the particular project, but you do it anyways because it is bringing in the money. It is helping you grow, hiring more people, better people, and then of course, then you have few projects you do for the love of the design, and that is what gets you fame. So I think it's a mix of that.
Right.
So it is very imperative that you should not be really stuck on something that, okay, no, this is the only kind of architecture or interior design that I will practice. You might have to do a lot of times projects that you don't really want to do, but you do it to sustain the practice. Unless you sustain, especially the initial 5-6 years, you will not be able to get there. That's very important.
चलो अब थोड़े clients की बात करते हैं. Let's talk about some 5 client mistakes that kill projects.
CJ, I feel
Which a client should, you know, kind of not.
No, so honestly, I feel a knowledgeable client is a good client. Okay, if he is aware of what there is in the market, sometimes some of our best ideas have come from clients. So I don't, and today we have this plethora of knowledge with all of us, whether it's Pinterest, whether it's Instagram, whatever. So sometimes there are things that our clients will search, and we are very like they're not super active on Instagram. So, there are a lot of things that they will search out.
Or
No.
you stop being active.
Yeah, whatever. You can put it either way. I used to be, now we are not. But there are clients who are, and they will bring to us some new ideas and like, this is a really great idea. I think one of the first thing is that you have to trust who you've hired. That's a big thing. You've hired, you must have done your research, and everybody comes with a bit of research. You would have gone to 4 different architects. You've seen that they've seen their work. You've understood how their working style is. You must have come from some reference or something. Once you've come to that point, you have to start trusting.
So,
I think-
so एक क्वेश्चन को इस पे ऐसे पूछते हैं कि एक क्लाइंट है उसको अपना घर बनाना है दिल्ली में 1 acre फार्म हाउस वो पीएस डिजाइन क्यों आए?
I think
Or you have office in Delhi?
I think first our attention to detail is extreme. We take up only that amount of.
For youngsters,
Yeah.
attention to detail.
Yeah. We will not. I am not. Any project that comes to our table, I will not give it to a junior to design. Okay, because the client is coming to PS Design for either Piyush or Priyanka. They are not coming for my team.
Well said.
Uh,
Well said.
So that is one of the first things. So design inputs are always ours. And I think, it's called a practice for a reason. I've been practicing for 21 years. Piyush has been practicing for 18 years. It has been that long, right? If I put the design aspect to a junior, he will not be able to give the sort of input my client is
So
expecting.
your personal involvement
Yes, yeah. So we are all
Attention
exactly
to detail.
attention to detail
And,
is
and another thing is drawing work.
Right.
Yeah.
We really, like I said earlier, we really focus on.
मुझे
drawing.
लगता है कि जैसे आप मुंबई में बहुत सारे डिटेल्ड काम कर रहे हो because of the space constraint, so that will be kind of a big benefit for you for doing big houses because
Yeah.
that DNA will be for big
It is
houses,
there
right?
by
so
default.
we typically make about 600 to 700 drawings for each project.
How many?
600 to 700.
And that is ingrained. I mean,
600, 700 drawings when you say,
Yeah.
that is for what, how much, what's the size of
It doesn't make a difference. So maybe
Even for
even for apartments, even a 5,000 square foot, typically 200, 300 drawings we make it minimum. So I have
300 drawings
Yeah.
for a 5,000 square feet apartment.
we do our detailing in house.
and this is like a non-negotiable thing in the studio. I mean, no matter what fee you close us on, you get the same consultancy. So
That's super.
that is something you try to maintain. That's again, it's more credit to her.
So,
because she
CJ
has
work-
established, yeah.
So I worked with a lot of foreign consultants while I was working with Hafiz. So I worked with the likes of Yabu Pushelberg. I worked with Wilson and Associates. I worked with, a couple of other foreign consultants. There was Joel Burega, who was doing landscape consultancy for us. You should see the packages they present. For them, it's, the kind of detailing they do. And I did that for 5 years. So it was just sort of engraved in me that nahi, ye to karna hi hai. So we have a set standard that we follow in the office, and that standard has to go for all projects.
प्रियंका उस पे क्या है कि जो foreign architects times
They take a lot of time.
they take a lot of time also and then होता क्या है कि जब वो एक बारी आपको set दे देते हैं ना then they don't change.
Yeah.
But हमारे इंडिया में challenge ये है
We have to say.
clients
We have to change.
have a requirement to change.
Change.
So मतलब kudos to you guys.
But you'll be surprised
Set
again,
बना रहे हो,
like
changes कर रहे हो.
none of our projects, it will never happen that we go on site and we sketch anything. Even if there is any change,
It
will go
is
back to the
first
drawing board,
it first goes to the drawing board, then it comes to
get
the site.
changed and then issued. Because issuing random decisions on site, you move one wall or one door here to there, it will always come back to bite.
Wow. चलो अब client की बात हो रही तो एक बात करते हैं कि toughest client request you guys had
The first client.
and how did you handle it? Did she have someone? Did she not?
Yeah, like in all of
I
them,
think I
sense
left.
from her that smile कि whether पीयूष बोलने वाला है या नहीं बोलने वाला
No, I think I'll let him answer it. My list is not going to stop.
Yes, the question is for both of you guys. Anyone can
So I can tell you a very recent one.
Yeah,
We're doing this house in Coimbatore.
Okay.
Uh, the house belongs to two brothers,
Right.
and they have adjacent properties, adjacent plots.
Yeah.
Now the thing is, both of them want a house that looks one from the outside, and both of them want their individual vastus corrected. Now that immediately means that if you join the houses and if you orient the bedroom of one particular house correctly, the other one, if you mirror it, will not work,
Of course.
and it has to look the same also. So doing that particular house design was a little challenging. What we eventually did was, I suggested them, let's do a staggered courtyard inside.
Okay.
So that sort of helped me, get that space in the middle, and then we were able to manage both plants properly.
Nice. And have you cracked it? And काम हो रहा है वहाँ पे?
About stuff.
That's nice. That's really nice. So also this I would like to take from you and put it and show people that these are greater challenges.
Okay.
Okay. So एक interesting budget है मेरे पास, that is 50 lakhs. Okay. And you have to design apartment in Mumbai. अभी leave aside कि आप हम वो बात नहीं करते कि हम इतने कम बजट पे काम नहीं करते, but it's just a
No, 50 lakh fee is very good. Yeah?
no. I'm
Take
not,
out the budget.
I'm not talking about fees here. I know who I'm talking to. I'm not talking about a fees. I'm talking about a budget to do the interior of the apartment, right? So आपको I know 50 lakh is not the right budget, but आप कौन से key areas को touch करोगे 50 लाख में और कौन से key areas को touch नहीं करोगे अगर ऐसी request आती है?
You mean to design?
I
Or-
mean you renovate the apartment.
I think
कौन से areas-
I think if you
कौन
have
से
a
areas pick करोगे कौन से areas को ignore
Okay,
करोगे
so-
budget is tight.
okay, so let me put it
Priyanka
this
has no answer.
No,
Okay,
I'm
I'm
sorry.
I'm sorry. I don't really to answer. Again, I'm sorry. I am too opposite. I cannot do this.
No, so I will tell you two things.
Why I ask this question is that at times this kind of request comes from new practices. You know.
Yeah. So I will
उनके लिए it will be a good idea कि कौन अगर ऐसे budgets आते हैं then it's sustaining for them survival. They have to take that.
see. So
तो क्या चीजें important है जो करनी है कौन सी चीजें जो नहीं करनी है उसके अंदर.
I think wouldn't it depend on what the family needs are?
I think family needs guidance also from architect designer.
No,
कि
but
यार,
sometimes,
आप ये
you
चीज
know-
कर लो ये चीज नहीं कर लो अभी मतलब देखो क्योंकि you see clients also clients have all aspiration. ठीक है तो budget नहीं है तो कुछ तो guide करना पड़ेगा.
See,
नहीं,
so-
50 लाख में इतना काम हो
okay. So if you want to take basic guidance to it, क्या
Yeah.
नहीं करना है?
सकता. हाँ क्या नहीं करना और क्या कर सकते क्या
Do not-
करना चाहिए.
Especially in Bombay, do not make civil changes.
Yeah.
ठीक है.
If you
Fair enough.
make any, like you put one dent in the
You
bathroom,
break a wall.
then
Yeah.
everything goes for a toss. Your budget will.
ठीक है तो हम पूरे अपार्टमेंट में उसको reshape सिर्फ
Yeah.
which I agree. Simple as
Yeah.
that. ठीक है.
Change the curtains.
ठीक है.
Change. Don't buy new.
Superficial.
Don't buy new furniture. Change the upholstery
ठीक
and
है.
do a lot of wall coverings.
Wall covers.
That's
Superficial changes is probably a better thing to do in in tight budgets. Unless there's a leaking bathroom or there is a really damaged kitchen which you have to
हम
change.
25 लाख नहीं करते, हम नहीं चाहिए। 50 लाख की करते। आप दोनों को कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं 50 लाख के बजट को डिस्कस करना मैं समझ गई। One business lesson that has kept PS design sustainable over the years. One business lesson.
That's a tough one.
There
I-
are
There are a lot of them.
One business lesson. Lot तो है मुझे पता है lot तो अभी
I think respecting your clients. I think for me, my clients are my biggest inspiration, and I think they are like family to me. Why I was managed to run PS Design for such a long time was, CJ, I'm a romantic at heart. Why I wanted to do architecture, because I felt that I want to be connected to families. Long after I go from a house, every day when they sit on a particular table or they are living in a certain space, they're thinking, I'm a part of it. And they would remember me if the space is nice. No, our architect did such a good job. We are enjoying this house because of the architect.
Right.
I think the clients are trusting you with their biggest investments.
of course.
You
Lot of
know,
investment.
A lot of investment. And these homes, these are homes they live in, they occupy. So I think for both of us, it's very important that client is
After also like to not be too rigid, especially if you're a growing firm.
आपके पार्टनर तो कह रहे हैं कि आप तो भंडारा खोल देते हो तो ये भी ले ले वो भी ले ले दो ले ले रिजेक्ट तो आप कहीं भी नहीं
Like rigid in terms of the finances, the commerce part of it.
Okay.
Especially initial years, I would like to say all budding architects. Okay, placement is one thing. You want to be placed and be known as an architect who really charges high. But starting the firm in the initial years, don't really do that. Take up even if the project is good and if you think the client really respects you, and even if the fee is a little low, you can do it eventually.
I think the biggest gift is an opportunity.
is an opportunity. Yeah.
एंड अगर मैं तो अपनी टीम को यंगस्टर्स को जो भी आते हैं बोलता हूँ कि अगर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है ना बॉस तो फाड़ दो हमारे पंजाबी में मतलब चकते फटे एंड बिकॉज with my journey of life, I've been very blessed to get another opportunity in times, but generally people don't get two opportunities. You only get one opportunity, and कोई भी opportunity आती है तो मतलब पूरा जुनून लगा दो उसमें क्योंकि reason is that वो time वापस वो opportunity मिलने नहीं वाली मतलब you have to be very very blessed कि अगर वो opportunity मिलती है. So I think the audience, the youngsters, if they're getting an opportunity, don't take it for granted.
Yeah. You have to give in everything. And like I said, if somebody's trusting you with their hard-earned money, you have to respect that. Only then you'll go a long way.
ये celebrity status तो हमारे architects को भी गया मिल गया है. ये awards, factory visits, इतना कुछ कैसे manage? How do you guys manage with work? Because you have to be visible also.
No,
You have to be there also. कैसे करते
So,
हो?
see, we are blessed that both of us are partners.
Yeah.
So we do it alternate. If there are too many events happening, for example, she'll go in one.
Yeah, it's
I'll
Every
go in
day,
another.
every week,
Yeah.
कि इतना कुछ हो रहा है तो क्या मतलब what is the right balance? Have you guys ever figured out?
No.
I mean, no. Few events that both of us visit together just makes a lot of sense in terms of time that she visits some, I go to some.
We do split times
You have to.
between the two of us.
Because now there are so many events happening in so many cities. Travel
I think
even for-
visibility is also become important.
It is become important.
And, you
Yes.
know, awards are also important.
Yeah.
And a lot of things have become really important now.
Yeah.
So it's quite challenging for a firm to really, think कि यार यहाँ पे full stop लगाना ही पड़ेगा. you know?
Also in general, both of us have a common love for travel in general.
Yeah, really.
Because that's where we get our ammo from. We learn a lot while we're traveling. So both of us love traveling.
So what's next for PS Design? Besides, I know that you guys have opened up an office in Delhi now. What is the vision of PS Design?
So
वैसे by the way, I didn't ask, what is the full form of PS Design? ये मैंने मेरे mind में बहुत चल रहा था, but मैं पूछा, what is the full form of PS Design?
perfect
It's that.
symmetry
Perfect.
in design.
Perfect symmetry in design.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
And I think
So we call each other yin and yang. So the point is that we still manage that symmetry despite being opposites in terms of our nature and everything. And I think we just sort of manage a balance in in the company, in design itself.
Life.
So yeah.
that's interesting. So what's next?
So we are focusing heavily on the residences now,
Okay.
bungalows. So that is something which is sort of a pivot, I would say, which has happened in the past 3 to 4 years.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like when we started really venturing into bungalows, looking for it.
Scalable.
Yeah. Also manifesting them that that this is what we want to do, this is what we want to do.
Wow.
And now we're doing. So
We both on the same page?
We are both
Or you
on the
have some
same
bigger manifestation? Not necessarily, but Piyush.
No,
you
no,
can have
no,
the same
no.
manifestation.
I think for us, while in Bombay, we were sort of in a space where we're doing a lot of interiors. We are both eventually architects, and that's what we love doing. We love doing architecture.
You
We
need,
love doing this.
bigger spaces for
Yeah.
architecture.
Yeah, to express our emotion or
I mean, it is
express our.
another level of joy that you draw something on paper and then it
Then
comes
you-
up on ground. It's just another level.
Wow. So I wish you good luck. And so I am towards a round where I do rapid fire.
That's always true.
Power, dynamic, architects. So I'm going to do a compatibility test.
Oh my God.
This test,
We might just miserably fail at it.
so you both have to just use one finger. Either it can go this direction, and for you it will go that direction, or it will go this direction. Simple. So whenever I ask you a question, you don't have to look at each other.
Okay.
आपको मैं क्वेश्चन पूछूंगा, आपने या बोलना है ये या बोलना है ये. Simple है. Okay. Who's more detail obsessed? Who usually wins when there is a design disagreement? Nice. Nice confidence. I like it. I like it.
I play the long game.
You test play, huh? You test play.
Might think she is one.
Yeah.
Who deals with the tough clients better?
Define tough.
Challenging. Who's a problem solver?
Both.
एक बता दे.
Okay. If it's the client related problem, then yeah. If it is a vendor related problem.
So, who gets called from the team under crisis? Okay, nice. Who sticks to budget?
Okay, potential clients. If you budget,
And next answer I know.
come to this side of the design.
Yes, so budget guys is there. And next one मुझे answer पता but still overshoot. No, I know I'm going to do this also. Okay. Who takes longer personally to get ready for a meeting or event? Okay. Who's more calmer when things go wrong?
I am not calm even when the things are going right.
अरे मेरे यहाँ तो लड़के काम इसलिए नहीं करते because मेरे में calmness नहीं है. तो इसलिए आप किसी ने
I'm always hyper.
Anybody wants to do work with me is sign. Please understand.
Listen, I am out of this.
CJ, it is.
Calmer is not at all calmer. तो अगर calmer section में जाना है तो please.
CJ, whenever she is interviewing any new kid nowadays, this is a standard 10-minute monologue she gives to the person that this is how I am and this is what you're getting into.
Really?
Don't join if you cannot
फिर
handle
भी
it.
आते हैं. Nice.
I give them a shield when they come in. Just ये पहन के आना.
एक इसकी जो शाउटिंग का है एक वीडियो बना जब इंटरव्यू के लिए आए ना उसको लगाओ देखो ये आपको एक ऑरा दिखेगा आई रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट दैट calmer side. Okay, who's more likely to bring work to home at night? Really?
Correct.
I
3 a.m.
I honestly thought कि ये प्रियंका होगी मतलब
3 a.m. club. 3 a.m. club.
Yeah.
Some of my best designs are done in the night.
No. I mean, maybe I have to rephrase the question. Stress work at home. You see, there is stress at work. So, who brings the stress?
I mean, she has become now one of those that if 2 a.m. in the night, for some reason she's up, she'll be suddenly discussing work, like not like design work, like something to do with some project. What happened to you? It's 2 a.m. in the night.
That is me.
That is
Celebrating.
that is her.
वहाँ जाना है यार. कल दिल्ली.
वो क्लाइंट ने ऐसे क्यों बोला है?
ऐसे क्यों बोल रहा है? So, if stranded on an island, who would build the shelter and who would decorate?
Build the shelter and decorate.
Both आप करो. आप कैसे?
He will be eating, he will be looking for the food.
आप खाना ले जाओ.
Yeah. Oh yes. Yes. In fact, yeah, you're right because if I ever get stranded in the island, my first thing would be to look for water.
ये आप सुंदर बनाने चले जाओ या बोलोगे चल भाई प्रियंका you make the
Not a very samundar person.
नहीं not सुंदर.
He'll just look for food. से खाना खाएं.
Really? लखनऊ वाले हैं ना?
लखनऊ और वहाँ पर भी क्रिटिसाइज करेंगे ये लखनऊ की मछली ज्यादा अच्छी है.
दिल्ली के कबाब दिल्ली के मछली. Delhi has good food.
Okay, let's not.
Yeah.
Let's not get into that debate.
पंजाबियों के साथ मत करो. How many marks out of 10 you give to your partner that I'm going to tell as this? So, आप दोनों को बताना है for him and you. architect. How much?
I think I'll give him a 9 out of 10.
How many?
9.5.
Arey wow.
आज ये जब से आया तब से नंबर ही बना।
Oh,
ये
okay.
सच्चा सौदा पॉडकास्ट है ये। यहाँ पे कोई कमर्शियल नहीं है।
No, I would have given her a 10, but you always have some scope of improvement.
Improving, huh? Parents.
He's
Oh.
a 10 on 10 parents.
Like, see, she's a 12 on 10. That's off.
तुम दोनों ना मतलब
No,
You
no,
have
we,
you have to
so-
meet our kids.
you have to meet our kids. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We are, so, you know, just to break it in between, our kids have been as much as a part of our work as we have been. You know, my son, when he was 2 years old, he was going with me on to select marble, to select, yeah. So we've always encouraged them to come along to sites, to meet clients.
Balance well, huh?
They're always in our office.
Because women's entrepreneurship को मैं बहुत ज़्यादा endorse करता हूँ, and I think it's very important. It's not very easy because when she started in 2009 and then handling kids, it's kudos to the ladies who do this. It's just not easy.
No, for us it was never.
The kids were never a burden. Why ये क्यों है? I
And
got the
it was
kids.
always
I was
for the
working.
people
I was working till just the night before my delivery. So I was working till 7:30 in the night. Next morning 7:30 I had my delivery. But I've always brought the kids to work. I remember 2 days after my delivery, I was sitting with the laptop on my tummy. My mother walks in. She said, "You mental woman, just throw this laptop out." But I think it's just so important. Why not? This is such a normal thing to do. That's why.
And it was never that okay. These duties will only be done by the
And
mother.
also credit goes to you guys because you see we are very blessed. Because
Yeah.
we stayed with our parents.
Yeah.
And
We don't.
It's kind of, and I know both of your families
Yeah.
are dating it up now, and handling everything on your own is not an easy thing. So I think if you guys can balance it well.
Yeah, no, but Piyush is a great father. I think our kids are like he takes care of equal amount of things that like as a mother would be expected, or as a parent would be expected. So
Nice.
yeah,
So we are both of us are very hands-on.
Who remembers great universities, birthdays? Really? So who's the real boss at PS? That's nice. So okay, so we are towards the end of our podcast, and I think it was one of my very interesting and amazing podcasts. It was a lot of fun. So last advice to the audience or anything you want to talk about. Right?
I have something to say.
Yeah.
to all budding architects, young architects, people planning to start their firms. Just remember these 3 things in life. I saw I didn't say it, somebody else said it. Only 3 things you need to do: show up on time, do your homework, and have an idea of what you do. That's it. Have an idea
Have an idea of the opportunity.
of what you have to do.
Okay.
It is not up to your employer every single time to give you that idea. You should have an idea. Show up on time, do your homework, and have an idea.
I think what I would say is train your eye. I think so. You have to see what's happening around you. So from all of there is so much which is there. As an architect, you need to understand every single aspect of design. And how do you understand that? Is by seeing things, by understanding things. Right? And that's what I said. Train your eye. You have to see everything around
I
you.
add to what you say because what I believe is that my journey is all about learning. I never stop learning. I love to learn from opinion. I love to learn from whoever I have, and I think that's the key. Which at times मुझे लगता है कि थोड़ा सा आजकल the youngsters or whoever their egos or their feel
Yeah.
सब आता है.
They're entitled.
They're not, as you like to say.
Keep
learning. Keep
Yeah.
learning. Keep
You
learning.
also you have to understand that is today's reality. You have to sort of adapt to it. You cannot expect young people to function the way
We did,
we
yeah.
did because
Yeah.
we've been brought up in a different time.
But मेरे को सिर्फ ये लगता है कि
But learning should never
don't
stop.
learning.
Yeah, yeah.
You
That's true.
actually rightly said, keep training your eye. This is something very interesting take I'm taking from her, which generally I've always listened to keep training yourself, but keep training an eye as a architect. same. So, which is good.
CJ, you know, why always anybody who comes to me, you know, youngster, I tell them, I said, you know, I've never designed a hospital. Okay. But if I get an opportunity, am I going to say no to it? I'll never say no. But that means at my age, after 22 years of practice, I will have to learn. I will have to,
Guys,
you know.
we have designed 2 hospitals.
No, I haven't. I'm talking about myself. He has.
PS design is done 2 hospitals.
No, I'm talking about myself.
Yeah.
So,
He says it.
yeah. No, but you'll have to learn, right? I will have to ask somebody. I'll probably go to Piyush and ask him, how do I design a hospital? How do I, what are the
study everything.
Yeah.
In school, in architecture.
It's a very interesting thing. I did the podcast with one of the most experienced people, Mr. Shah from Creative Group,
Right.
who has done a lot of airports, and
Hmm.
so he said that, you know, when they got the opportunity to do the airport or railways and all, so there is a lot of homework they have to
Yeah.
do with the, you know, with BMC,
Exactly.
you know, the softwares.
Yeah.
And all. So I think when you say hospital, that kind of journey of homework is
Exactly. You have to learn at every stage. There's always a new project, you know. Even when you're designing a new house, there's a new set of people you're dealing with. You know, you have to understand
New
their
products
requirements,
coming in,
new products coming in.
New set of requirements from
It's
clients.
unbelievable.
Today, you have to adapt to AI. So we are all learning. You know, that learning can never stop.
So AI is going to be the game changer. It's going to be a great tool to work with. Because I did ask about AI with you guys because some podcast में मैं इधर पर AI is like has to be a part of.
It has to be, yeah.
I see it as a good time saving tool.
Yeah, it's a great time. So I've got a lot of different feedbacks about AI, and I think it's something which you cannot ignore.
You cannot ignore. You have to adapt to it.
You have to adapt. It's
Yeah.
a game changer. It's educating people.
It's
So-
making our lives
So,
easier.
saying कि, you know, one of his clients, उसने पूरा within 5 minutes exactly 3D बनवा के AI में बता दी मुझे exactly क्या चाहिए. Unbelievable. मतलब it's unbelievable. But anyways, so thank you very much, guys. I hope you enjoyed the podcast.
Yes.
Absolutely. It was a great conversation.
Something
And-
very different. I mean, I've never
Yeah.
had a. There was no cut. There was no nothing.
So
Yeah.
it's more about you know, honest flow of what you really think, and I don't try to talk about the projects that are sustainable. I'm more on how your journey is. So idea is very simple. If somebody can take a couple of, you know, things from you guys and maybe use in their journey, then I'll be very happy. So sometimes I get comments that, you know, it was really nice to listen to this architect, or because, you know, you guys are all role models now. So people love to listen how the journey is, or maybe if couple is trying to figure out how to run the company now because they are having some challenges. So if they listen to you, try to understand, to divide responsibilities and roles. So it's a big thing. So it's just that, you know, that's the reason why we never gave push this before, because it has to be very natural.
Yeah.
And it is never, it's not a conversation where I want it to be like scripted.
No, this was awesome, and all the best to you for the.
Yeah, this is a great initiative, and we are very happy to be here.
Taking your time, and I'm very, very happy that you guys are daily, and I wish that you do big scalable houses and, you know, fulfill your dreams of architecture, which you want to, and I think you'll get a great opportunity to do that. So once again, thank you very much.
Thank you.
guys.
Thanks a lot.